Okay, this is an '08 Chevy Silverado, 4-door, 4.6. I wish I could have gotten this on video, but the customer was with me. So I'm going to make this quick. I turned the key, the dashes wouldn't work. Nothing on the dash would work. And I guess it was intermittent at first, but there was no turn signals, no nothing. Then it started shutting the engine off. So the engine was shut off. Sometimes it wouldn't start. All the lights were on the dash, but the gauges themselves wouldn't work. No fuel, no tach, no speedometer, no nothing. Going through this, it was not the ignition module. Actually, the airbag module is completely corroded. Unplugged that airbag module, and it completely functions. But that's what it looks like, the airbag module. So if you've got one of these that's acting up real wonky, I'm just spraying contact cleaner on that. But no, we're going to leave it unplugged. The customer is going to see about getting a new module with the airbag. But now everything, oh, he has the key. Everything is completely functional and working. I wish I could show you, but I hope this helps somebody. If you have a wonky issue with this and you might have an airbag periodically light, unplug that module, see if it corrects your issues. Check the connection, make sure you get it cleaned up if it is corroded. If you have one of these and there's nothing wrong, you may want to look at that module and make sure that it's not corroded and get it cleaned up. Maybe spray some WD-40 on it, keep it clean. Hope that helps somebody.